To replace the backrest pad, the first thing we need to do is detach the headrest pad and head pillow and set it aside. Next, we'll unzip the top of the pad from the chair. Then we'll move to the front of the chair and unzip the bottom of the pad from the foot and calf massager upholstery. And inside we'll find two zippers. One zipper zips up the right-hand side of the pad and the other zipper zips up the left-hand side of the pad. So we just need to open both of those zippers. And finally, we need to disconnect the heater connector, which we do by unscrewing the connector lock and then disconnecting the connector. To install the new pad then, we can place it into position. And the first thing we're going to do is reconnect that heater cable while it's nice and accessible. Make sure to screw that connector lock tightly so that doesn't become disconnected. Okay, then we're ready to start zipping those side zippers. Then we can close up that zipper that attaches the pad to the foot and calf massager. Then zip the top of the pad to the chair. And finally, we can replace the headrest pad and head pillow. And we're done.